Unlocking English Idioms, in a stew. Hello, English language enthusiasts. Today, we're going to unravel the meaning behind the phrase, in a stew. If you've ever wondered what being inside a stew has to do with feelings, you're in for a treat. In a stew might conjure images of being inside a pot of simmering soup, but in English idiomatic language, it has a completely different meaning. This phrase is used to describe someone who is worried, agitated, or in a state of anxiety. It has nothing to do with actual food. The exact origins of the phrase are a bit murky, but it's believed to stem from the 16th century. The term, stew, was used to describe a hot and steamy room or a place where old horses were kept before being sold as meat. In these contexts, in a stew would mean being in an unpleasant or stressful situation. Over time, this meaning has evolved to refer to a person's emotional state rather than a physical location. Let's see how you can use in a stew in everyday English. 1. After losing her keys, she was in a stew about how she'd get inside her house. 2. He's been in a stew ever since he heard the news. 3. Don't get yourself in a stew over small things. Remember, context is key. This phrase is informal, so it's best used in casual conversations rather than formal writing or speeches. Idioms like, in a stew, add flavor to our language, making conversations rich and colorful. We hope you found this explainer insightful and that you'll confidently use, in a stew, in your future English conversations. Until next time, keep learning and exploring the fascinating world of idioms.